If you're indecisive of whether or not to buy stuff from Bramble Berry, I hope this video is going to be very informative for you. What's up, folks at home? I hope you are having a great day. Today, I am going to be doing yet another unboxing video. This time, this great unboxing comes from Bramble Berry. Yes, everyone, folks at home, folks everywhere, I'm getting into soap making now. It just naturally follows that if you're a candle maker, you dive into apothecary and all things body care since they use the same fragrance oil. I'm going to unbox this right now. I got my trusty little slicer unit here. Let's see what we have. Okay, and it seems to come packaged with this interesting thing. I've never seen this before. It's weird. Anywho, I bought 3 of these pouring pitchers, which are great for all you soap makers out there. Look at these pouring pitchers. Okay, I got 3 of those, and they gave us more of this weirdly packaging thing. And I got this 17-ounce glass jar, and this will be for melting the actual bases of my soaps. More of this. Oh, my poor downstairs neighbor. Anywho, I bought the Stevenson's Melt and Pour Crystal Soap Base right here. These melt and pour bases are supposed to be really simple to use. And then I purchased the Stevenson's Melt and Pour Crystal Soap Base, but this one is not clear. I bought the clear one and the white one so that I can mix and match. I'm gonna open one just to see what it looks like on the inside and to see what it smells like. Usually when I purchase something like this, I always like to try to sniff it to see what it smells like. And it's a very strange habit of mine, but it's just what I do. This smells like glycerin. I think that's what it's made out of. This smells really bizarre. I've never smelled anything quite like it. I was hoping it would smell like nothing, but it's got a really particular smell to it. These look like they have been melted in the process of getting to the house, but that is okay because they'll be remelted. Then I purchased these silicone molds. I'm actually very impressed with the quality of these molds, and they are shaped to be similar to the cupcake bases. So I'm planning on making cupcake style soaps. And then I also purchased these rectangular style of molds. I had not remembered that I purchased these, but I guess I could use them. I suppose that I can use them. And I also purchased these square ones. What was past me thinking? I have no idea. But here we are. I purchased the square ones and they're huge. I thought they were gonna be smaller, and look at that. They're absolutely humongous. And the rectangular ones are really big too. So I have 3 different types of silicone molds. And then for the remainder of the products that I purchased several mica powders. I purchased the blue slushy one, the red mica, the aqua pearl mica, the King's Cold mica, and the plum dusk mica. These are looking very fine, quite beautiful. Yep, they smell like powder. So that's it for this unboxing video. My first impressions are that everything that I purchased is very, very high quality. Specifically, these molds feel absolutely amazing, and the soaps look really good, even though they seem to have melted in between the transits, but that is totally okay. The pouring pictures are absolutely perfect. The micas look really, really beautiful, and I'm hoping they look really good once I put them to use. I hope this Bramble Berry unboxing video was helpful for you, and if you are on the fence of whether to buy or not, I hope this unboxing helped you decide on whether or not to get stuff from Bramble Berry. My recommendation is personally to buy stuff from them because their stuff is really good. I don't particularly care for the fact that most of their products are made in China, but that's unfortunately just the way it is for most big companies. I still love them as a brand and as a company themselves. I'm going to be filming myself as I try these products out for the first time in ever. I hope you all stick around for that video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Bye!